guys, welcome back to another video on Willow's Wonderful World. Today I'm just going to show you around this really cool thing. So we're at a place. Let me come show you around. I don't even know where we are. This is really fun. Let me show you. Sorry about the lighting, but we are outside. Wow, I can't see anything. Hang on, I'll come in the shade a minute. Hang on. Sorry, you can't see me. Probably wait, sorry. Hang on. If you guys can't see me properly, it's just because I'm not in the shade and it's a very sunny day. Okay. Now, we are outside. As you can see, this is outside. And I'm going to show you around. So if you come up these stairs, we're in the sunlight again, which isn't very good because you can't see it properly, but it's okay because all I'm doing is walking, guys, and I'm just going to show you up the stairs. This is really fun. I like having you guys used to support me. Please leave a like on the video if you're enjoying so far. Let me show you up. Okay guys, you can probably see me a bit better now. So this is basically a wood place. There's woods, there's a few singing and dancing, and we come up here to this death slide area. Sorry you guys can't see it, but there's a really massive drop up behind me now. So I'm going to go to my favorite spot. Okay, so we're nearly at my favourite spot. We've just got to go this way, if I remember correct. So, yeah. Please subscribe if you're new here. We're nearly here. Then to the left. Sorry. So, we're now heading to my favourite spot. And as you guys might be able to see in a minute, there is a swing in the middle of the woods. Some people have gladly and kindly invited us here. I might have to hold on with one hand, which seems a bit risky. Yeah, I guess. So, as you guys can see, is it straight now? And now I am really weirdly swinging here. Let me switch hands. I'll set the camera in. By the way, public places are really hard for me, so there is other people here, as you can see. So I really hope you appreciate how confident I'm being. And yeah, I'll show you the next bit now. So we have to come down, which there's two routes. You could go the risky route or the safe route, which I will choose to do. I love the safe route. Yeah. And Let me see. Oh, I'm really happy to actually be here. I've got that up. As I can see or hear, it is really, really busy. I'm going to be trying to be safer. And I really want you guys to like and subscribe, please. I never get many likes on my videos, so please like the video, and if you're new, subscribe. So, okay. It's a little bit hard to focus on you guys because we aren't walking here, but I really don't want to drop the camera or be able to be seen clearly by you guys, but I really, really, really want to actually be able to walk, so I might look up for a minute. You might not see me very well, but I'm just walking. There's a wall, and it won't stop flying. Okay, guys. Okay. So we've got to wait for a minute.
No, it's quite nice. Yeah, I love it.
I'm going
I love
to
it. You can't have the cider. What's it's got a model railway that runs through the wall.
Oh, wicked.
And
Now that is actually pretty cool.
I'm
and
to
so when I was a student, my name is Paul, but I could
They don't know what's up. Only into animals. Ah! So.
Oh, did you see some water in there? That's some water. Is that water? Here's some.
Okay. Let me go and show you the singing and dancing place. Oh! There's no more lost right there.
Oh, you can get food there.
So, over there. And singing and dancing place. I'm going to some weird room. It's quite a good view of what I can see. Yep. So yes, we're now done with the tour. And then I'll say goodbye to you guys. So we only have 2 minutes left of filming time, so I'll try my best to show you the dancers. That's Club Pearson. There's the dancers there. And guys, if you like this video,
he doesn't find winding down.
please make sure hit subscribe and like, and I'll see you later. Bye.